Making money with digital art involves creating and selling artwork in various online platforms, leveraging your creativity and building a strong brand. Here's how you can get started. Sell digital art on marketplaces. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Redbubble, and Society6 allow you to sell your digital art as downloadable files or physical products, like prints, posters, and merchandise. Create high-quality art that appeals to specific niches, such as illustrations, logos, or portraits. Offer custom commissions. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Behance are great places to find clients for custom art commissions. Offer services like personalized portraits, illustrations, or graphic design for businesses, social media influencers, or individuals. Sell NFTs. NFTs allow artists to sell their digital creations as unique tokens on blockchain networks like Ethereum. Platforms like OpenSea or Rarible let you mint and sell your digital art as NFTs, earning royalties on future resales. Create and sell digital products. Design printables, clip art, or design templates and sell them on Creative Market or Design Bundles. You can also offer Photoshop brushes or digital assets for other creators to use in their work.